Good evening, everyone. I'm Satesh Khubchandani, and I have the pleasure of inviting me with us today, Sujata Mehta. Sujata Mehta, as many of you would be knowing, is a great actress in Gujarati stage. In Hindi cinema, she has done a lot of good films, and she's also done a few Gujarati movies. She's a wonderful, much about that. She's a wonderful human being. I have known her since 2005, and I have seen her grow over the years. So I thought of just having an interview with her and really looking at how her journey has been during the years and what she has gone through and how much she has evolved over the years. लाइफ में सबको challenges होते हैं, लाइफ में सबको संघर्ष होता है, लेकिन वो संघर्ष से आगे निकलना ही जिंदगी है। और वो जिंदगी किस तरह से किया है, इसके बारे में मैं सुजाता जी से जानना चाहता हूं। और मैं इसका साक्षी हूं कि मैंने खुद देखा हुआ है what she was in 2005 and earlier, and today what she is. So Sujata, over to you. Welcome.
Thank you, Satesh. Thank you. Yeah, हमारी पहचान हुई 2003 में, right?
Yeah, 2003.
और yeah, it's been a wonderful journey. उससे पहले, as you mentioned, I've been working on stage. I started my career as a child artist. So studies and education and modeling and dramas तो मैं पहले से करती थी, as I said. Then I progressed in my profession as an artist, as an actress. And then there came the time where, year 98, 99, maybe, कि फिल्मों में काम किया. And what happened with me that I started with the bang, जिनको स्ट्रगल करनी पड़ती 10 साल तक, तो मुझे तो पहले ही अच्छी अच्छी फिल्में मिल गई, प्रतिघात, यतीम, कन्वरलाल and many other films, So एक जगह पे आके प्लेटो हो गया. Like I came to 99. I felt, what do I do now? Because I was not happy with the kind of films I was getting, कि beginning में अच्छी अच्छी projects कर लिए मैंने. I worked with Bigya Chopra, that is Ravi Chopra director. I worked with big stars like Mithun Chakravarti, Sunny Deol, director like J.P. Datta, And मैं बोली क्या करूं? So I decided, I was looking out for a new dimension, new perspective in my life. So I joined few seminars. That's where we met, And वहाँ पे हम लोग जो मिले, वो मेरी journey रही, as a person, creating possibilities and transforming yourself and self-realization, not many things. And that went on for almost 15 years. We did so many workshops, seminars,
and it's still ongoing. We still do a lot of, we do a lot of stuff together still, like.
Yeah. So that was wo meri puri journey was very different, like I would say I came when I started, having all these seminars, and I went for Vipassana, I went for all the spiritual places, like Brahma Kumari and Datta Bhagwan. I wanted to experience everything. I went to Rajneesh. So that was all these years, from I would say 2000. Of course, बीच में मैं काम करती रही, no doubt. But I really am a fortunate one कि मुझे किसी ने, my universe really, sent me to all these seminars and workshops and all the spiritual places. So उससे मेरा काफी growth हुआ as a person, as we were discussing that day, that there's enormous change in me, a lot of transformation as a person, as a human being. Because for an actor, this is one of the, very important quality, that you keep, progressing spiritually and your education, your as a person. because what you are, your person, as person you are reflecting, all those things are reflecting in your performances as an actor, you know. So we keep updating ourselves, we keep transforming, self transformation, I would say, I would call it self transformation. इसलिए बोल रही हूँ because see, आप कितने भी courses करो, कितने भी training लो, but eventually you have to make difference to yourself. There are people to guide you, you know, to make you realize and to train you. But eventually आपके ऊपर है, आप कितना लेना चाहते हो and what you really want to be, you know. So in my case, I want to be a learner till I die. And
So
I want
profound.
to progress spiritually, materialistically, anyways, whatever is required to be in this world and, you know, have a beautiful life, whatever is required.
So you can say
उसी
that
में
it's
मुझे
a,
progress करना है. Yeah.
yeah. So you can say
And
that it's
I'm
a like a,
always open for the
yeah.
possibilities.
So it's
Yeah.
like a holistic performance, like holistic growth, not just one area, not only career,
Right.
but also health, wealth, happiness, relationships. Every area of your life, you're growing holistically. And that's what I've seen in
You
you,
need
you know.
to. You need
That's
to.
a journey.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
it reflects in your performance. You know.
Yeah.
Yep.
More
Yeah.
than that, it's a happiness. Like you may win, you may get the best performance, you can even succeed. But at the end of the day, that happiness inside, you know, when you feel that you have done your best, that
Yeah.
fulfillment comes only through holistic growth. And that's what I've seen
And
in
for
you.
me,
That's what I've seen in you.
it's never best. It's
Yes.
for me, it's never best. You know, yet to come, yet to come,
Yes,
yet.
absolutely. Like the game has just begun, as they say, you know, like life has just begun now.
Yes.
जिंदगी तो अब शुरू
Always.
ही है. अब के पहले जो भी था वो
Right.
यादें हैं और क्या. सब यादों के सब यादों में चले गया
अभी
है.
तो
अब
पार्टी शुरू हुई
अभी
है.
तो पार्टी शुरू हुई, as we say, you know.
Yes.
So that's
Life
so
की पार्टी अब शुरू हुई. It's always the
absolutely.
case. Always you feel that. Yeah.
Yes. And so many years down, and still it is that, you know, the feeling that you are just beginning now. ऐसे लग रहा है
Yeah.
कि अब नींद से उठे हैं, like जैसे कि अब जिंदगी शुरू हुई है. वो टाइप की फीलिंग आती है रोज.
Right.
वो एक लाइफ है. And I can see that
Yeah.
with you, like, you know, that is the experience.
Because that's my belief. That's my belief, right? That is
Yeah,
my belief. Yeah.
right. Yeah, so as we are saying that it's like work in progress. So now what are the activities you have been recently updated since last 3 years? Chitkar was a movie which was launched, and that was your life
Yes.
purpose. I remember you in 2005, that after the success of Chitkar on stage, you had that dream, you know, to have that coming on screen.
Yeah.
And you struggled a lot to bring that to reality.
Right.
How was that journey? Can you say a little about that? The making of Chitkar. The Chitkar was by
Making of
itself a play which had so
Right.
many shows, right? Over
Right.
1,000 shows,
800 shows. 800.
800 shows. And it was
Right.
in USA, it was everywhere. Uh,
Yes.
and that making that into a movie, making that into a
Right.
saleable movie that is not only made but even people seeing it commercially,
Right.
to come
Right.
into that was definitely a journey, like coming from theater to cinema. So what was
Right.
your journey of making of Chitkar?
See, basically, my part is in Chitkar as an actor, right? Of course, I'm there from right from the beginning. बहुत सारे replacements हमारे drama में हो गए. But I was the only one who was constant right from the first show to 800 shows. And वो बोलते हैं ना, वो नस में है, वो
रूह में,
character में.
रूह में, जिसे
Yeah.
कहते हैं रूह में.
Into my system.
Yes.
But when we decided to make a film, और फिल्म इसलिए बनानी थी कि क्योंकि इसमें बहुत अच्छा मैसेज है, you know, to the society. So I was very keen that it should come on a big screen. And तभी गुजराती फिल्में अच्छी चलने लगी थी 2018 में जब ये अप्रैल में जब रिलीज हुई. तो मैंने कहा कि that's my mother tongue, why not go in for Gujarati first. And मेरा एक intention था. You know, production में मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आता, technically मुझे नहीं, technology मुझे नहीं समझ में आती. But it was my intention कि नहीं ये एक अच्छा product बने. And बस वही intention ने फिल्म बना दी. And believe me, उसके लिए जो भी करना था मुझे मेरे तरफ से मैंने सब कुछ किया. I did everything. And I got, you know, Best Actress Award in America Film Festival, Gujarati Film Festival, जो पहली बार launch हुआ 2018 में. वहाँ मुझे Best Actress का prize भी मिला, award भी मिला. And जब I want to share something with you. जब very first day when I went on the floor, first shot when I gave, and after 1 or 2 days, the cameraman said कि आपने काफी टाइम के बाद कैमरा फेस किया, right? I said yeah, right. Feature film, you know, ऐसे TV project या advertisement वो तो हम लोग करते रहते हैं. But facing camera for feature film, I said yes, बहुत टाइम के बाद. बोले ऐसा लगता ही नहीं, लगता you are with the camera, you are tuned with the camera. तुम्हारी rhythm है कैमरा के साथ. And even I could feel that, you know, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कैमरा चल रहा है कि क्या, you know. And basically क्या होता है कि when a stage play is converted into film, people tend to get loud, you know, which didn't happen in my case, even though it was character of paranoid schizophrenia. So there are all the chances to become loud, you know. I mean, one would easily get into the loud acting, which didn't happen. And really, believe me, I mean, even I myself was, I was surprised, you know, wow, very good. And the cameraman ne bol diya tha, I was all the very happy.
Super. That's
Yeah.
really great.
But maza aaya, bahut maza aaya. We really enjoyed. Because camera is different, stage is different media. And, you know, we went for the shoot in the actual location in Savarkulla, where all the mentally disturbed.
Oh, yes, you had mentioned that. Yes, it was.
Yeah. And it was
a mental.
Oh, I used to hear their screaming, you know, and it was very, very, very sad. रात को भी चीखें मैं सुनती थी. They offered me to stay a little away from that place, mental asylum, but I said no, I want to be here. It was like hygiene ka problem tha, many things, because it's a small place. It's run by some private, you know, institute. तो वो लोग भी बड़ी मुश्किल से, you know, एक compassion है, एक intention से वो लोग चला रहे हैं, you know, and उन लोग को कुछ major finance है नहीं. So every day I used to talk with those women. कभी नई patient आ जाते थे and violent ones, and I used to hear the stories from the, you know, जिनका आश्रम था जहाँ पे ये लोग उनका ध्यान रखते थे. I used to hear all the sad stories, you know, and it was very difficult for me to sustain there, because as I said, रात को मुझे उनकी चीखें सुनाई देती थी, and they were literally screaming. काफी मानो 300-400 मीटर का फासला था, फिर भी मुझे सुनाई देता, because they were really violent. और पूरी रात जागो, next day shooting करो. It was quite a lot.
And the main reason for you to be over there and shoot it instead of a set was you really wanted to get into that character.
Authenticity, yeah. We wanted to make it more authentic. Yeah.
How many people do that in today's world? Do you know? There
are quite many.
Yeah,
I'm sure.
But they are the ones like, but it's like something which only real passion, you have to have it from inside to do that. It's not everybody's cup of tea to do that, you know, to stay in the circumstances and actually do that. That's awesome.
Right.
Great. So now there was this lockdown happening, and how have you been dealing with this lockdown, and what do you think about the journey from here? Like first, this particular what has been there, and now how do we get back on the stream? Come on, full stream ahead with the current
जब
challenges.
ये लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ तभी तो सबको पता नहीं था ना कि it will go on for so many months. We thought कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा 15-20 दिन. You know, all our servants and काम वाले सब चले गए and nobody.
Go.
हाँ, जब लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ तभी किसी को पता नहीं था इतना लंबा चलेगा, right? Nobody knew. तो 15-20 दिन होंगे, 1 महीना होगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा. पर जैसे जैसे दिन बढ़ते गए, you know, like we are moving here and there. We are like gypsies. यहाँ जाओ, वहाँ जाओ, office जाओ, बाहर गाँव जाओ. You know, you travel all over the places. तो मेरे तो पाँव दुखने लगे, you know, घर में बैठ के मेरे पाँव दुखने लगे. It was other way around because I could not go to my gym. We were not allowed to go out for race course walk. No, nothing. और कुछ टाइम के लिए हमारी बिल्डिंग के ऊपर बड़ी टेरेस है, वो भी बंद कर दी. तो लॉबी में चलो, नीचे कंपाउंड में भी अलाउड नहीं था. सो बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगा कि घुटन हो रही थी. नो, आई वाज गेटिंग रियली सफोकेटेड. एंड देन स्लोली ग्रेजुअली ऑल आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड you know they started we all started counseling each other. हम सब लोग एक दूसरे को काउंसलिंग करते थे. कह रहे नहीं यार, हो जाएगा यार, कुछ टाइम का तो सवाल है. यू रिमेम्बर सतीश? मैं किसको बोल रही हूँ, मुझे बोल रहा है. यू नो, लाइक काउंसलिंग चल रहा था, अंदर अंदर काउंसलिंग चल रहा था. एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी गॉट यूज्ड टू. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हाउस होल्ड वर्क करने में, झाड़ू पोछा बीजेपी बनने में, या यू नो कुकिंग. आई लव, माय पैशन इज कुकिंग आल्सो. तो वो तो उल्टा मजा आ गया. हाँ, बर्तन झाड़ू पोछा तो थोड़ी दिन कमर दुख गई, फिर सब many challenges. I would say this corona has given us so many challenges. You know, life is corona has made us lockdown has made us very brave, and lot of possibilities have opened up. And see, हम लोग Zoom पे बात करने लगे हैं. Basically, I don't like all the gadgets and technicality. I don't like, but then we are.
Yeah,
you know, we are
I
with the
remember.
time. Yeah.
I remember you struggling with the mobile also, like how to like WhatsApp
Yeah,
was also like a
so,
big challenge at one time. And
but
today we are talking
because
on
हम
Zoom.
तो one-to-one वाले हैं.
Yeah,
One-to-one
absolutely.
वाले. You know,
Personal
I like
touch.
to
Yeah,
be
yeah.
one-to-one. We all like
Absolutely.
to socialize. We like to meet people, get connected with people, meet people. अब वो सब बंद होगा. नए सिरे से जिंदगी अब शुरू होने वाली है. Because this lockdown and corona has brought a lot of shifts in our life. You know,
Yes.
lifestyle, way of being. You know, it's going to be, and the best part, it's all over the world. हम सिर्फ अकेले नहीं थे. All over the world, everybody.
Yeah, that's
You
a
know,
positive way of
everybody.
looking
Yeah.
at it, that we are not in it together. We are there. We are all
Right.
together. जैसे मोदी जी ने भी कहा था
Yeah.
कि हम सब साथ में हैं. That's one of the very
Yeah.
strong statements he said, that we are all
And
together.
we all got connected. Connectivity हमारी जो थी वो ज्यादा strong हो गई.
Strong हो
Family
गई.
bond, yeah. बहुत सारे अभी परसों ही मेरी मम्मी की फैमिली वाले उन लोगों ने Zoom कॉल सेट किया. And I was seeing so many people जिनको मैंने कितने सालों से देखा नहीं था. Because they are all living abroad. You know, कोई लंदन में, कोई अमेरिका में है. So it was really good. नहीं तो ये सब मुमकिन नहीं था. It was not मुमकिन. ये जिंदगी में तो मुमकिन था ही नहीं. Not in this birth.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So it has,
And
so
then
it,
we explored, me and my friend. Luckily, I have my best friend who lives just upstairs. And we made so many, cooked a lot. She learned something from me. I learned something from her. And yeah, we cooked many. See, basically, I'm very passionate, but time नहीं मिलता था, you know. And then you overlook, you know, आज चलो ना, ठीक है ना, अभी हो जाएगा, कभी बनाएंगे, ये करेंगे. लेकिन वो सब मैंने बनाया जो मैं, with the, you know, variety, I, you know, like food. Yeah, I'm very foodie. But मैं बनाना चाहती थी, इतने सालों से मैं नहीं बना सकती थी, वो मैंने सब बना लिया. So I'm very happy.
Superb. That's great.
And I got breakthrough in the area of technology also. Thoda,
Yes.
not so much, little bit.
And tell us about the courses you were doing on the stage before the lockdown and how you plan to take that online. You were doing some great courses on your
Yeah,
with a lot of
yeah. And
good results.
another thing, because we are for self expression, तो मैंने लॉकडाउन में कुछ मैंने कोरोना की फिल्में बनाई है, fun films,
Yeah,
you
we
know,
saw that. We saw
कि
that really. Yeah, I'll be up playing
promoting
that. Yeah.
घर में रहना, बाहर नहीं जाना, वो जो था ना, in form of songs, you know, हिंदी फिल्म सॉन्ग की parody की. So I would like my audience to see those films also.
We will be playing that
So
soon over here.
definitely will do that.
Yeah.
And before Corona, as you said, I was doing one play called Sujata Rang Rangili. The journey so far, you know, मेरी अब तक की जो journey, all my highlight scenes and the scenes, you know, performances which I really used to love. I used to love myself in those performances. तो उसका एक हमने 1.5-2 घंटे का एक one woman show, kind of a one woman show. There is Latesh. There is an anchor who's Latesha. He's you know, like he has a part to narrate and speech, kind of a speech, and I would enact, you know, that kind of a
The
program
famous
we
Latesh Shah
organized.
of the
And
famous Latesh Shah of World Human Development Center. Yeah, he
World
has been
Human
a great
Development
companion.
Center,
Yes, he's a
and
great guy.
my life partner, writer, director,
Absolutely.
producer, actor, motivational leader, and as
Yes.
you said, the whole and soul of WADC World Human Development Center. और उन्हीं के
Yes.
पॉकेट थिएटर में जो पार्ला में है वहां पे हम लोग परफॉर्म करते थे और जैसे लॉकडाउन हुआ उसी के just the previous Sunday we were having 74th and 75th show. We
Wow.
declared in the same pocket theater. Unfortunately, everything closed down, so we could not. But now we are just waiting, and we are now giving this program on YouTube for
Wow.
people, you know, my audience. Yes, and that doesn't mean we will not be performing live shows. We will be. We are just waiting for this lockdown to get over and get back to our stage. In meantime, I did few songs, Corona songs. और उसके पहले हमने कोर्सेज जो आपने मेंशन किया सुपरस्टार जलसा दैट्स अबाउट सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन एक्टिंग एंड एक्सप्रेशन उसके हमने 3-4 वर्कशॉप्स की एंड वी इंटेंड टू डू इट नाउ अगेन मे बी ऑनलाइन मे बी 1-to-1 let's see.
So I think you have a lot to contribute to the younger generation, and they can learn from you this talent and take it ahead in their life. You can really look at having these
Yes.
courses for them. Like that would really make a difference in their life. That would be so
Yes,
wonderful.
and
You should look at that.
The best part of our program, this one woman show, at the same time this you know, superstar jalsa acting and expression courses, we are having all age groups 13 se leke. We have participant in one of the workshop was 80 years.
Wow.
The age group of 80. So we have a range, you know, we have a range. Yeah.
That's awesome.
बहुत मजा आता है हम लोग को बहुत मजा आता है उनको तो मजा आता होगा I'm sure but along with them we are also learning and we are also, you know, progressing. As I said, I want to progress till I die.
Superb. So I really appreciate this spirit of yours, and really looking forward for you contributing the way you have been contributing to the world up till now at a much higher scale with the new platform Zoom. We are looking forward for more from you in ahead. And
Sure.
at this point, at this note, I would like to really thank you for the time you've taken out and come and generously given your time and attention to all of us over here. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Sapesh, it's my pleasure.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure because, you know, I always like to communicate. I always like to interact, talk. So I'm so happy. Thank you very much for remembering me.
Thank you. And we will have the next one very soon. Yes.
All the
Thank you.
best.
Thank you.
Yo,
Thank you so much.
yo, 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 yo,
Yo. Yes.
yo.